In the hills of Basildon town, by the pond where the ducks drift slow, sits old Jonathan Coll with a grin that the devil would know. A red wool cap on his head, and eyes that still burn like coal. They whisper he once danced with ghosts and bartered with lost souls. Oh, Red Baron, thief of the skies, you ran through the smoke neath the falling plains' cries. You stole from the dead, but you fooled the divine, and they pinned you a medal and called you a sign. Red Baron, the hero of lies. You lived off the war, and you never apologized. When the sirens sang their song and the engine screamed through the rain, he was out in the fields again, picking bones from the remains. Didn't matter whose wings were torn, didn't matter who wore the crest. He come crawling out of the hedges, he is the fox that robbed the nest. Oh, Red Baron, thief of the skies, you ran through the smoke neath the falling plains' cries. You stole from the dead, but you fooled the divine, and they pinned you a medal and called you a sign. Red Baron, the hero of lies. You lived off the war, and you never apologized. 44 in the fields near London town, a B-17 came tumbling down. He found a pilot still breathing slow, dragged him out just before the blow. Then the boots and jeeps came rolling out, and Jonathan felt the fear that bites. For the man he saved wore a general's name, but fortune smiled and the story changed. The papers cried hero, the crowd stood tall. They never saw the watches, the wallets at all. Behind the Red Lion in a shed so small lay the secrets of soldiers, the spoils of war. Now he sits by the pond with a pine in his hand, telling tales of the sky and the fire and the land. And when you ask if it's true, he just laughs with a drawl. War's a terrible thing, lad, but a man's gotta eat after all.